What's up everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video on how to change the dome light in a Hyundai Santa Fe. This is a 2019, but it'll be the same on several different years. So the only thing you're going to need to do this is a small flathead screwdriver. And the first thing we need to do is take this lens cover off, and you can see there's a small notch right here, and there's also one right here. So we're going to take our flathead screwdriver, put it in that notch, pry down, come over to this notch, pry down. Oh, didn't quite get it. Pry down, and that'll allow that lens to come off of there like that. Now we can see the bulb right here. To get the bulb out, just grab a hold of it and carefully just pull it out. Then when you have your new one and you're ready, do the same thing in reverse. We'll just push that up in there. We'll grab our lens cover, and there's two tabs on the front of it, the part facing towards the rear of the vehicle. You'll put those two tabs up in there first, and then the rest of it will just push back up in there. So that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.